Hey guys, Jenny here from WTI. Today what I wanted to share with you is this amazing little snack. And as you can see, we've already busted ours open. This is the Lesser Evil brand, which is an amazing brand, and it's their PALEO puffs. So these specifically have no cheese. So for all you vegans out there, this is one to grab for. The other thing I love about it is that it's made with cassava flour, so it is gluten-free as well. Overall, this is a great product. Even my husband, who does not like anything that doesn't have real cheese on it, loves these. This is what they look like. I'm gonna put it up against my face. Like it's a typical size cheesy. They're delicious. The other thing I like is you can actually read all the ingredients and understand what they are, so you're not filling your body with any garbage. And I feel good about feeding this to my kids. Like I said, cassava flour, coconut oil, tapioca starch, coconut flour, baker's yeast. It's a great snack. I love sending them to school with my kids. I love snacking on them at night, and they're kind of like one of those guilt-free snacks that I don't feel bad about eating. So if you are vegan, non-vegan, gluten intolerant, or not, I definitely recommend these. But that's just my point of view.